you develop math skills at school, we try to make it as functional as possible. Introducing a lesson, we make sure that the children know what is expected of them. So, what are we learning today? We're going to name the coins and notes, know the value of each, and do a shopping exercise. And we also ensure they know why they're going to do that. And that is, when we go shopping, we have to know how much we're going to pay. We'll begin by naming the coins and notes. For this, I'm using real money, which is possible, and that's a great thing that you can do at home. It's always one hand. As the notes go, we will have to resort to something a little bit imaginative, but it works the same. When we're looking at them, the children will eventually become confident about sorting the coins and naming them. So I'm just going to place these out in their order. Value. And it is very important that they learn the difference between the cents and the dollars. When we're discussing this, often children will get a 50-cent because they see the number on it and think that's worth the most money. But first of all, they need to learn to name each so they can pick it up. They won't necessarily be able to put it in this order initially, but they will have a go. They'll name 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents. Change to $1, $2, and then be aware that once the money gets larger quantities, we have the plastic money, $5, $10, $20, etc. When we're looking for children doing this, we are hoping that they will eventually cue just by the size of the coin, the shape of the coin, but often they will start by looking for the numbers on the coins. The other thing that is helpful when they're learning about the coins is that the silver coins, therefore they're pointing to the colour as a cue, tells them they're the cents, the gold coins and the plastic money are the dollars. Once they're confident with that, we then take them into looking at shopping. Now, we discuss, can we buy a lot of things with just a 5-cent coin? And that will take a little while for them to be clear, because they may confuse a 5 cent with a $5. It's got 5s on it. Or they may think the 50, because that number's really large, is going to buy more than what a $2 or $5 amount will. Let's go shopping. These lovely things that are delivered to you each week. We start by just using a matching skill. So our $2 packet of chips, 1 coin matches. We can then go to a more complicated amount, and we have $1.50. Very interesting to point out that the S looking sign is for dollars and that the smaller numbers there are for your cents. So they can match the $1.50. All of this is just a direct matching skill. When they're comfortable with that, we can then get a little bit more challenging tasks where they look and they think about, okay, I've got to pay $3, and they will look around and try and find, maybe they'll just pick up 3 coins, maybe they'll pick up 1, or they might pick up the 2, but eventually they've got to link that to the learning of counting. So if I want $3, some might want to start off with just counting $1, $2, $3. Or, as they're confident, they know 2, and the one more will make $3. And that same skill will work for other price tags. $3.10 we can match directly, but when we get to things and like $1.12, and this is a much trickier skill because we have to learn that we are rounding to the nearest amount, and we do not have a 2-cent coin anymore. So they have to learn $1, and the nearest coin that they can match to would be a 10-cent. So they would have to pay the $1.10. So that's a much more advanced skill. $2.25, each place value can be worked through, and they can do a direct matching. $2.20 and a 5 cents. That pays for their items. So, happy shopping at home.